So in trial 2 we have tested a lot of things, but the two main important things are how this application is providing feedback to the user and how the application is satisfying all the architectural requirements that ManuVAR has defined in order to make it flexible enough. So the results are that we have learned a lot about all of these procedures. The feedback is more or less well provided as was required, and the connection among the different components is more or less okay, but has to be improved a bit for the next trial.
In the final section, Simo-Pekka from VTT in Finland will talk about the trial that took place for Cluster 5. This cluster looks at design of a new product and evaluation of connected tasks in the context of CATS 2 and 3 and use case 1. Cluster 5 applies to the imagine stage of the product lifecycle, covering detailed design, concept design and business evaluation.
This is trial 2 of ManuVAR project and the first trial of Cluster 5, which is Metso Minerals. We are testing two CATs today, CAT 2 and 3. And this use case is, the aim of the use case is to evaluate the product design and the assembly task, and as well produce material for the documentation and instructions. And in this use case, a worker is assembling the product, which is there. The worker is wearing a special suit so that his movements and postures can be recorded and analyzed from ergonomics point of view. And he also wears a head-mounted display where he can see the natural viewpoint of the worker, and the same picture is displayed in the screen so that the review board can see it as well. He gives comments and feedback about the product and the assembly plan, and there is also a review board which consists of experts from product design, production, maintenance experts, human factors experts and so on. And they are observing what the worker is doing, and they are also giving feedback, and they have a special tool for that. They can modify the product structure and the sequence of the assembly work.
The trial went quite well. All the systems were working stable. The review board and worker were active, and they are giving feedback quite well. Of course, there are some things to develop before the next trial. Main things are the interactions between the technical elements and the CATs, and that's the most important thing to do before trial 3.
Each of the 5 ManuVAR clusters you have seen provides valuable support to different stages of the product lifecycle, and together they will improve manual work across a range of industries.